I would like to get into some reviews, but also I want to do a little bit of a Q&A session with everybody. It's been a while since I've just let you guys just ask me questions and I can answer them. So I don't want to spend a lot of time on all the questions, but I want you guys to feel like this is a family. I want you to feel like this is a safe place for you to be able to come out and ask questions, get inspired. I'll do my best to be able to answer them. We'll start with the chat. And if I like the questions in the chat, I might even ask you out to come on video. So then we'll do reviews. Okay. So let's spend at least, I don't know, 15, 20 minutes doing questions. Then we'll do reviews. And you wonder why your computer was frying a few weeks ago. No, my computer's frying because this room had the AC wasn't working. I'm sticking with that. Okay, guys, let's do chat. Throw questions from me at the chat. It could be questions about the company updates that I did. It could be questions about the traffic rotator. It could be questions about the any of the stuff that we shared. It could be questions about how to get the slides yourselves. It could be questions about literally everything we talked about, right? What we talked about? We talked about the traffic rotator, talked about the point system. We talked about the new invitation tool. We talked about the $5 funnels. We talked about I don't know what else. It was a lot of things we talked about. We talked about the mastermind.